In the serene hills of Jamaica, where the sun kissed the earth with a golden glow and the gentle breeze carried the scent of wildflowers, there lived a beloved pastor named Morris. Pastor Morris was not just a man of the cloth, he was a prayerful soul, known far and wide for his uplifting spirit and generous heart. Dressed in his crisp white shirt and colorful tie, he radiated warmth and love, his laughter ringing through the valleys like the sweetest reggae melody. Every morning, as the sun peeked over the hills, Pastor Morris would rise early, tending to his flock of sheep and goats near his quaint wooden home. The soft bleating of his animals blended harmoniously with the sound of chirping birds. He greeted each creature with affection, whispering words of encouragement as he guided them to the lush pastures that stretched beneath the towering Blue Mountains. After tending to his sheep and goats, Pastor Morris would set off on his daily rounds, a basket of bread and fruits at his side. He believed kindness and prayer were the true essence of community, and for every household he visited, he planted seeds of hope through prayer. As he knocked on doors, his gentle presence would bring light into the lives of those who welcomed him. "Blessings upon your home," he would say with a warm smile, before bowing his head to offer heartfelt prayers for health, happiness, and prosperity. One sunny afternoon, Pastor Morris arrived at the little house of Miss Clara, an elderly woman who had recently lost her husband. Seeing her tears, he knelt beside her, embracing her with the comfort of prayer. "Fear not, Miss Clara. The Lord is your shepherd, and you are never alone," he whispered. As they shared a prayer, Miss Clara's burden seemed to lighten, her heart filled with peace like the cool breeze that danced around them. Once his visits were done for the day, he would return home to the courtyard, where a few playful rabbits hopped around, their soft fur shining in the dusk light. With a soothing voice, he would feed them, sharing in the joy of creation. Pastor Morris often thought of them as a reminder of God's care and kindness, just as he tried to be for his congregation. Pastor Morris's life was a tapestry of love, faith, and compassion, woven together by the threads of every prayer and kind word he shared. In his eyes, every encounter was divine, and each prayer offered was a gentle embrace of the Spirit. And so, in the cool hills of Jamaica, Pastor Morris became not just a shepherd of sheep and goats, but a shepherd of hearts, guiding all who crossed his path with unwavering faith and boundless love.